How do you subtly F with people? In high school computer lab I would always quickly turn off my computer monitor when my teacher would come around the corner and go oh shit, and he would make me turn it back on to see what I was doing, and it would always just be the spreadsheet or whatever it was I was working on, and he would demand to know what I was doing that I had to hide. This went on for weeks, and then one day while at the computer I see out of my peripherals this little Asian man, my teacher, slowly sneaking up beside my desk on his hands and knees trying to get a look at my screen. All I could see was the top of his head. My mom was doing the toothpaste tube roll-up thing and was amazed at how long the tube was lasting. What she didn't know was that my dad was constantly squeezing more toothpaste into it just to F with her. They are in their 70s. When